Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Tribal Animation Film Festival, lingba ka Department of Anthropology jang ka School ba Nehu, kan sa Pynlong ya ka Lempung Peninam, ya ki film baper, ki ba nakaleng jang ka India, baru ki film na ka Waypat Kiri. Habaya keren bat ginong pathai kubor, ka Tara Douglas kala kerpadi ki samla ban ya shimmenta hakini ki laisngi, ka ban sedang ha ka shitarik, bar ka ban ne hado ka laiterik, u leber arjar kat kendai.
We are doing this in collaboration with the Department of Anthropology at the Northeastern Hill University, and it starts tomorrow. It is a 3-day event, and it's the first time we are bringing these animated films made by or in collaboration with tribal artists and storytellers from India and also from other parts of the world. This 3-day event is taking place at the Old Guest House. It is from 9:30 a.m. till 9 p.m. for 3 days. That's Friday the 1st, Saturday the 2nd, and Sunday the 3rd. Tomorrow we are starting our inauguration session. This project is being supported by the Northeastern Council, NEC. So our chief guest at the function tomorrow will be the Secretary of NEC, Shillong, and we are having the session will be chaired by the Vice Chancellor of Nehu, Professor Srivastava. We are also having a traditional welcome, Kasi welcome, and an introduction to the festival. And all of this is taking place between 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. tomorrow at the Old Guest House at Nehu campus. After this session, the inaugural session, we are having an exhibition opening. The exhibition is being presented by Ashok Elwin, and he is the son of Dr. Veria Elwin. So this is a collection of photographs, historical photographs of tribal cultures, tribal peoples from northeast India. So that exhibition is being presented by his son Ashok Elwin. Then the 3 days are full of all different types of programs. We're trying to engage the younger people and also the elder people. We have got a storytelling session. The first day of the festival, which is tomorrow, because we are having lots of visitors coming from outside of this region and outside of Meghalaya and Northeast, we are having nearly 100 students are coming from Gujarat, and that's the United World Institute of Design in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, and also some students are coming there from the Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute in Kolkata. And even our speakers, many of them are coming from other parts of India. So the first day of the festival is a brief glimpse into the cultures and storytelling traditions of this region of India. So our speakers tomorrow are mostly from this area.